In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit shapes in Google Slides. Google Slides is an incredibly versatile tool, often used for creating engaging presentations. It's easy to add shapes and images, but knowing how to edit and mask them to suit your needs can make a significant difference in both clarity and visual appeal. Let's get started by heading over to Google. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google's homepage. Once you're there, you'll notice a grid icon located at the top right corner of the page. This is the Google Apps menu, your gateway to all the tools Google offers. Go ahead and click on that grid icon to reveal a list of various Google applications. From this list, locate and select Google Slides. Upon clicking Slides, you'll be directed to the homepage for Google Slides, where you can access your existing presentations or create new ones. Find the presentation you want to edit and click on it to open it up. This will take you to the editing interface where all the magic happens. With your presentation open, decide which slide contains the shape or image you want to edit. Click directly on that shape or image to select it. Now, if you're looking to give your image or shape a new appearance, focus your attention on the toolbar at the top of your screen. There's an option called Mask Image, a drop-down arrow that when clicked will present various shape options you can use to mask your image or change its form. Browse through these options to find the shape that piques your interest and fits your needs. Once you've found the ideal shape, simply click on it. Immediately, your image will adopt the new shape, giving it a fresh new look. This can be especially useful for achieving a specific style or theme within your slide design. In addition to reshaping, you might find yourself wanting to tweak the size of your image. This is easily done by selecting the image, then clicking and dragging the blue squares or handles around the image. Doing so allows you to resize and reshape the image to better align with your presentation's overall aesthetic and the content's focus. By learning to utilize these simple yet powerful editing features, you can significantly enhance the visual impact of your presentations. Remember, manipulating shapes and images is not just about aesthetics, it's also about directing attention and improving communication. Practice these steps, and with time, you'll become proficient at creating polished, professional slides. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy presenting!